Okay, we're live here. Yeah, we're live here. Okay, so this is Richard Cheshire's truck. He's over at Gear Inch. His Patreon is X Cobra. This is one of his newer trucks. It does have a lot of options, as far as, a lot of options, stock options and stuff. It's got a lot of rim options, a lot of stuff, and everything. Here's his dad's Mark's 4-wheeler ATV. And then here's Mark's Ford, one of his newest Fords. That's one of his newest trucks. And then this ABV, this is his newest rig. Let's see if we get options in here. These are all his trucks. Let's go over here to the ATV. So we got this, back stock, back muds, stat, add-ons, full add-ons, visible, attachers, you name it. Yeti cooler. Back here, we got the plates, front and back. Front's fine. Back, it needs to be fixed, which I let him know. Everything looks good on that. And here's the ATV thing for that. Yeah, anyway, and then here's the ABV. Badge options, stock, back, that. And then this, and then anyway, and then we're gonna get back into it. Anyway, these trucks, the hood comes open, air goes up all the way up, hood comes open, then all the doors open, back doors open, up, and then the tailgate comes down, light goes on, which is really nice. Then you go out here, turn this back on here, hood opens up, goes on up, there you go. This is Mark's new trucks. Anyway, go on over to Gear Wrench modding to his page. That's Mark Cheshire's Patreon, Gear Wrench. That will be where you can find the trucks and all his mods. Make sure you support him. He's really good. He's the best modder I've ever seen. His son is that Dodge right there. Let's go right over here. Open this TV. And then open the hood. This is a really, really nice truck. Show you the options in the store with that. His is X Cobra modding. His Patreon's really good too. Make sure you go over and give him a like too. He's got really good mods. He's Mark's son. Go all these swampers there. Anyway, that's all that. And without further ado, we're gonna end this recording, and I hope you guys have a great day.